Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing privity of contract under Indian Contract Act. A stranger to a contract cannot sue, but the stranger to consideration can sue. The general rule is that only the parties to the contract can sue or be sued in a contract. In case of consideration, any person can sue and be sued. This rule is known as the doctrine of privity of consideration. For example, A promises to pay 1,000 rupees to B to deliver goods to C. In this example, C is the stranger to the contract. If B fails to deliver the goods to C, C being a stranger to the contract cannot sue B. Consequences of privity of contract. A person who is not a party cannot sue though the contract is entitled into the benefits. The doctrine of privity of contract does not confess any rights and obligation to the party who is not a party to the contract. Application of doctrine in English law. According to English law, stranger to the contract cannot sue. In Tweddle versus Atkinson, it was laid down in this case that only parties to the contract can sue each other. In this case, the plaintiff A was married to a girl B. After this marriage, there was a contract in writing between A's father and B's father that each would pay certain sum of money to A. After the death of the two fathers, A brought an action against B's father to recover the amount. It was held that A could not sue for the same. Application of doctrine in Indian laws. In Jamuna Das versus Ram Avatar, in this case, A purchased a property contracted with the seller to pay off the mortgage debt. In an action brought up by the mortgage against the purchaser to recover the mortgage debt, it was held that he was not entitled to force the contract. In Ishwanapilli versus Somaveru, A mortgaged his property to B. B was to pay amount to C to clear A's debt, but B did not pay to C. In action by C against B, it was held that the suit is not actionable. Exception. Beneficiary of a trust. A will recognize exception to the doctrine of privity of a contract is that of a trust created in some property in favor of a third person. A trust is created for the benefit of the beneficiary. Second, marriage settlement. A stranger to a contract can sue in respect of marriage settlements. In Rose Fernandez versus Joseph, the defendant in the instant case entered into an agreement with the plaintiff's father to marry the plaintiffs, but he did not marry. It was held actionable though she is a stranger to the contract. Third, acknowledgement. If the promiser by the conduct creates a privity of contract between himself and the stranger, the terms means the acceptance of liability. 4. Assignment of a contract. If the benefits under the contract are assigned to the third person, the assignee can sue. The assignment means it's like a transfer. Contract through an agent. When the agent appoints another to act on the behalf with the third party is called as agency.